guys, I just wanted to quickly hop in because I'm editing this vlog right now and I realize how choppy it is because it's kind of just like a bunch of random clips that I've been vlogging or filming throughout the month of December. So hopefully you guys still enjoy, and the next clip you're about to see is my mom and I going shopping for Christmas ornaments and then decorating the tree.
No, it's different. Should we just do?
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me.
Okay, so I have a couple of packages that I need to open, so I figured I would do it on camera. First up, I actually have a package from Nasty Gal, and they are sponsoring this portion of today's video. So I'm gonna first unpackage everything, and then I'll show you guys the pieces that I picked up. And if you want to pick up any of this stuff, it will be linked in the description box like I always do. So the first piece that I have is a sweater vest, and this one was a size small. I feel like it will be a pretty good size just looking at it, and it's really soft and comfortable. And I recently got a pair of these off-white cream lug sole boots, and I feel like this would work well with those. One thing to know is it is a little bit more of a like fluffy, fuzzy texture. So if you don't like little flyaways or like for it to shed, I don't think this one would be something you'd want to pick up. I do have a different sweater vest that might be more for you, and this one is called the Premium Cable Knitted Sleeveless Sweater. It's the size small, and I don't know if the premium part means like a specific collection, but it does feel really nicely made, and it's soft. It's not one of those itchy knit materials, and this one does not shed. Okay, so next up is another vest. I've kind of been really liking vests at the moment, but this one is different. This is a size US 0. This is not usually my like typical style, but I think it's fun to try things out and see if you end up liking it. And again, this one feels nicely made too. It's like a typical blazer suit material. And then next up, I do have a different top. It's the twist front cutout crop shirt in size medium. It's a little bit hard to see just holding up, but you'll see it in the try on clip, but it's just like a collared top. It's like in this satin material, and then it ties. It's a size medium, so I wasn't sure how it was gonna fit. It does fit, but it's just a little bit loose, like right here. It doesn't like sit flat. So it still works, but it would be better just to get your normal size if you end up picking this up. So this next top, I'm really glad that I was able to get this one because it did say it was low in stock when I originally chose it. A size small, and it's just like an oversized crew neck. And I don't really like color that much, but in loungewear, I don't mind. It is fleece lined in the inside, so it's really soft and comfortable. I would say this is more of like a thinner material, so if you're looking for something that's a little bit more lightweight, this one should work. And then I have two other pieces from Nasty Gal. So one is a pair of jeans. These are the petite recycled flare jeans in the size US 0, and they actually look like they would be a pretty good size. The back pockets are plain, which is my preference. Stretchiness, it feels like it does have a little bit of stretch. So last but not least, the last item I have from Nasty Gal is a coat. This is in the size US 0. It's a textured material. Or not textured, printed pattern, and it's just like a super thick, heavy jacket. And honestly, where I live, you don't really need jackets this thick, but I thought it would be fun to like have it to style outfits on TikTok, Reels. People always ask me for winter outfits, so this is something that I can see myself using for any future winter outfit videos. And hopefully the length is fine, because I don't think this is the petite line. Yeah, it's just the regular collection, so hopefully it's not too long. So those are all of the pieces that I have from Nasty Gal. And again, thank you to Nasty Gal for sponsoring this portion of the video. And if you guys want to pick any of these pieces up, it will be linked in the description box, so just check there for all sizes, measurements, anything like that. So I'm gonna move on to the other two packages that I have. This next one I ordered myself. They are color contacts. Personally, I can't even tell when I'm wearing them. I feel like they're not uncomfortable. I wear regular contacts too, and they honestly feel the same. So this is the Peaceful Kristen. They come in pairs, by the way. This is a light green hazel, but because I kind of have black highs. It's like dark brown, but basically black. It kind of just looks like a light brown color. So it kind of mixed up the colors. Instead of doing hazel for all of them, I got gray, hazel, brown, and blue. So hopefully these work out. And I think I got like a free eye mask. So this next one is Skim stuff that I ordered on Black Friday or Cyber Monday. I can't remember which one. Two of them are actually bodysuits that I'm gonna be giving as gifts. This is for my cousin Katie. I've actually never tried the Essentials line, and I didn't know that they come individually packaged like this, which I think is great for gifts. And then I just got more underwear. The Cheeky Tanga from the Cotton Jersey collection is one of my favorite styles. And then I did get one piece that was another Christmas gift. This is the Cozy Knit pullover in the color Bone. It's a size small/medium. It's just like a pullover. Hopefully she likes it and it fits her. So I completely forgot to include this in the unboxing portion, but I did get a new pair of sneakers too from Balenciaga. I got it off of Forward and it was on sale for Black Friday.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me.
This is the final shoebox organizers look, and I just think it looks so much more organized this way rather than keeping it in the original cardboard shoebox. And for in the middle area, I just kept it empty. I prefer it empty because that's less things to dust. The sneakers that I use on the bottom, I've shown this before, they're the bigger size just because some of my sneakers are on the bigger side, so they wouldn't fit. I'm actually able to fit 2 pairs of heels in one box if it's a smaller kind. Like these are smaller dainty heels, so I can fit extra heels behind it. And here is a little sneak peek into the rest of my closet since it's actually clean for once. I can show you guys. And an official closet tour will come soon. I know that's like one of the most requested videos that you guys ask about. I wanted to do a quick outfit of the day. I'm just wearing like a basic mock neck with a little plaid skirt. I've been waiting to get this plaid skirt for a while, but they've been out of stock, so it is finally back in stock. I'll link it in the description box if I remember. And then I just have like a leather blazer to put on top. And that's the first look. I'm shooting a couple different looks today just because I'm trying to like stockpile a bunch of different pictures while my mom is off. Since she's off this week, I wanted to take advantage and shoot a lot of different looks. So today's like a content shooting day. We'll probably be taking pics all day. So hopefully they all turn out good, but this is the first look.
just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree.